Where'd you get?
We're gonna take a. We're gonna go down and get Jesse's tree
Oh,
for his room.
oh, for his bedroom?
Here.
Where'd you get that tree?
You gotta go find one over your bed.
On our property?
Yeah. Come on.
Going to get the Christmas tree. Well, I'm not gonna walk down there.
Come here, I'll hold your hand there.
Why?
Here. I know which one I'll take from my room.
Okay.
This from my room, okay?
No, we're only taking one.
Yes, you did.
Alright.
They're both. Let's go. We're gonna freeze to death out here.
You decided not to. You gotta cut right down in here. Right? Down for this.
Attaboy.
Nope. Pull. Push. Boy. Okay, push.
You need a sharp saw.
Push. Pull. Push. Push. Pull.
Use those steel muscles of yours. God, you should be able to pull it out of the ground.
There you go.
Let me see, Jazz. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, we'll get that one.
Look at me, Daddy. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. For you.
Right here.
Here.
Oh, look at the frost on our car this morning. It must be 30 degrees.
That's good.
Okay, that's it. That's called the tree cutting.